Under EU Interreg Project CERDI,
we work together to develop a digital platform which will enable the creative ceramists to learn skills, share ideas, and aspire to be entrepreneurs. In the virtual gallery, you can find photos with information about the ceramics around Europe. You can use the filter function to see the ceramics according to artist, workshop, time period, material, forming, and decorating techniques. Not only pictures, at Ceramics in Europe, you can also see videos made by ceramicists and institutes. There are 10 main categories you can use as filters, as well as 5 categories of forming techniques. Here at the library, we store books and texts from various sources where you can find information about the development of ceramics around Europe. You can browse the books by type or by content. At Stakeholder Information Toolbar, you can find our Ceramists Database and Stakeholders Report. You can see an interactive map where you can locate our business, museums and galleries, educational institutions, related subjects, public administration,
or associations.
If you want to find a specific ceramicist in one country, you can use our filter function and choose the country that you want to see. Other filter categories are also available here. You can also find our stakeholder reports from the private sector, student sector, and a comparison of sectors in the same toolbar. For example, at the Comparison of Sectors section, you can find a report about the comparison of research results among sectors across 6 countries. This interactive form lets you go through graphs and charts with a filter function that you can customize. At Ceramics in Europe, we want to make your experience in knowing about ceramics and learning about entrepreneurship helpful. We designed an interactive learning method that consists of 10 chapters. Each chapter will provide you with videos, quizzes, and assignments for better understanding. The Marketing Tools function allows you to surf through how to use social media, online marketing, and direct marketing functions, and for collaboration with your ceramics business. You can also find the Frequently Asked Questions page here. Thank you for watching. Keep an eye out for our launching date and time. If you're curious about our site, please follow us on Instagram or Facebook. Ceramics in Europe. Innovative, contemporary design ideas.